Welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to FaceTime in iPhone. But first thing first, you can only FaceTime other people if they are also using iPhone. So please remember that because you can connect to other number if they are not using iPhone. So you have to click on your contact and search for the contact that you want to FaceTime. And then you can click and hold on the name, click and hold over here. Click and hold, and then choose video and click FaceTime. Or you can also click on the name and click on the video icon here to FaceTime. So here I will also give you an example if a contact that doesn't use iPhone like this. If you click on the video, there are no FaceTime option. Alright, so thank you guys for watching. If you find this helpful, remember to like this video, subscribe this channel, and you can also leave a comment if you have something you want to share to us. And I'll see you in other tutorial from this channel. Bye bye.